Hi darlings, my name is Charlotte Tilbury and I'm so excited to introduce my Instant Beauty Palette. I speak to so many busy women who tell me I never have enough time. All I can give myself is 5 minutes before work, at my desk, and 5 minutes before dinner. I'm like, okay, I've got the solution for you. Introducing my natural, smoothing, radiance enhancing beauty palette that will take you from desk to dinner in 7 easy steps. Start off by using my magic cream. It's so beautiful and it creates the most wonderful canvas. Next, I'm going to apply my Wonder Glow, and Wonder Glow, I always say, is like Giselle Bündchen's supermodel in a jar. I'm now going to pop on my Light Wonder foundation. It's very light, but it gives you really beautiful coverage. And now I'm going to apply my retoucher. It's nice and light, it's not heavy. Next, I'm going to use my Mini Miracle Eye Wand. I'm now going to use my Airbrush Flawless Finish powder with my powder and sculpt brush. It's so finely milled, it's like silk. I'm going to brush up the brows using my brow lift tool. I'm now going to use my life-changing eyelash curlers just to really give you that wonderful wide-eyed look. To create the incredible natural polished desk look, start by applying my Eye Brighten shade all over the lid using my blender brush backwards and forwards in a windscreen wiper motion. Next, use the Enhance shade. This adds like a little dreamy dimension to the eyelid. It's a natural glowing champagne shade that illuminates the eyelid. Now dip your smudger brush into the Smoke shade and apply it to the upper lash line. Bring a little bit of the sultry Smoke shade underneath the eyes for an extra defined, hypnotising gaze. Line the upper lash line with your pencil. Complete your look with lashings and lashings of my Full Fat Lashes mascara. Next, you want to create a beautiful sun-kissed bronze to the skin with my Face Bronze. For a dreamy glow, drip the Candlelight highlight along the tops of the cheekbones and the temples. The Cheek Swish is an instant healthy, happy glow. Follow this with my Pop Cheek for a natural, lit from within glow. And now I'm going to use Pillow Talk lip liner, and it just gives you that perfect pout. Next, create the perfect pretty pink lip with my Kissing lipstick in Bitch Perfect. Now here is how to use your palette to dial up to dinner. Start by applying Smoke shade all over the lid using my blender brush backwards and forwards in a windscreen wiper motion. Using your smudger brush, take your Smoke shade along the upper lash line and underneath. Line the upper lash line with your pencil. I'm now going to pop on my Full Fat Lashes mascara. Now this is just divine because this does 5 things in one. For Mortifying Contour, use your powder and sculpt brush and bronze shade to sculpt the cheekbones. For a dreamy glow, drip the Candlelight highlight along the tops of the cheekbones and the temples. You must always use a lip liner because it helps stencil the shape of your lips. And this is such a pretty colour. This literally looks good on everyone. Finally, use the Swish and Pop shade onto the apples of your cheeks.